Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about merge block. Merge block is a kind of block in a Simulink which takes multiple input signals and combines and sends a one output signal. These multiple source of input signals should be mutually exclusive in their operation. So at a time, one source of data only should be updated, which will get sent to the output side. So when we say this, to make that happen, all the input source of data should be mutually exclusive, and to make that happen, those should be conditional action-based execution. So let's start with the example. I'm having one merge block. I'm going to create 4 inputs to it. Now let's take a bike gear system kind of example where first we will take input as a velocity. So to give that, I'm giving one constant which will be having the constant speed. Now then the speed will go to the if else subsystem or if action subsystem. So I'm going to give this if action, and before that I have to give case. So switch case I'm going to design. Rather than switch case, we should give the if else. So if action, only if, yeah. So this will u1 will be speed, number of input is 1. Expressions now, u1. So first we will give the fifth gear. Fifth gear will get displayed when the speed is above 100. Else if we will give u1 is greater than, we'll say 60. Then second condition, u1 is greater than 40. Then u1 is greater than 10, 20. So this is the fifth gear, fourth gear, third gear, second gear, and if u1 is greater than 0 is the first gear. Let's apply. I don't want the else condition because that will call as a neutral condition. Let's say apply and then OK. Okay, so this is how the speed will send. Now the speed will go over here. Let's start with 120 as a first value, and then because we have 5 conditions over here, so we will need a 5 action. So any output of if block should go to the action subsystem. So first we'll go over here, we'll create second over here, then third, fourth, and then last one. In every block we are going to give the gear positions. We'll send 5 over here, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this should be 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this 5 will go to the first above the 100 speed, then above 60 is fourth gear, third gear, second gear, and then first gear. So now as the base model is ready, when speed will have one value, based on the condition, only one action subsystem will get triggered and will send the output. So we can combine this all 5 action subsystem to the merge block, and then the most recent output from any of the action subsystem will be displayed via the merge block. So let's apply display over here and connect all this. We need one more 5 and this. Let's run this. So with 120 value, we are getting display 5. So gear position 5. Let's try out with the 90. 4. Then 80. 4. Yeah, because above 60. So we will go for 55. Now we set speed 0 over here just to see none of the output should go, so we should not get any of this gear position. So default value should go, then that should be 0 value, right? So this is about the merge block. Few more things which I want to show as an error part. First, merge block cannot be connected to any constant source of data. It has to be only connected to the action based subsystem or the action based blocks. Okay, let's give one example. We will just connect directly one over here and we should get the error. The error will say an input signal to merge block must be connected and must originate from conditionally executed subsystem. That is not an iterator subsystem. So this is the error, which means we cannot connect any of the constant data or any of the signal lines which are not coming from conditionally executed subsystem. Another thing, because this merge block is combining the multiple input source of data, these all source of data should be of same data type. It will not accept different data type. For example, these three are Boolean data and these two are the double data or UENT data. In that way, merge block will not support it. All the data has to be of same data type, but it supports all different data types. Only condition, all the input data has to be of common type. So this merge block for all double, this merge block can work for all Boolean operation, this can work for all UENT operation, like that it can work. So this is all which I want to convey about the merge block. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.